Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to discuss about this vulnerability called sensitive data leakage. So for this video I'm going to show you a full methodology like how you can find out the sensitive data on a website or any other application. So for today's video we are working on this target. This is a shadi.com and there is official website which is called shadi.com. I don't know who created this duplicate website which is simply a shadi.com. So I'm just sharing this with you, like I don't want to create any kind of confusion. Like this is the official website like shadi.com and this is a duplicate website, I guess. I'm not sure, maybe according to me this is a duplicate website which is simply a shadi.com. Okay, so we are working on this website which is a shadi.com with the single A. Okay, so let's say like this is my target and right now I don't want to explore this target and I just want to do a simple sensitive data leakage kind of vulnerability. Either you can also explore the functionality, and if website is sharing some kind of files or anything, you can try the sensitive data leakage over there also. But I'm going to show you what we can say, this is a black box testing. Okay, so this is my target which is shadi.com and I don't know anything about this target right now. So the first thing what I will do, I will increase my attacking area. Okay, I will increase the attack area. How? Let's say like this is a shadi.com. So the first step what I can do, I can find out the subdomains related to this website, related to this shadi.com. I'm using this online tool called subdomainfinder.c99.nl. If you want to find like let's say let me tell you the results. Okay, you can see we have got I guess almost 17 subdomains. So now what we need to do, we need to filter out the working and the non-working subdomain. First thing you can do, you can simply check, okay, if IP is present, maybe they are working domains, and the other rest where there's no IP, okay, like none, so we can ignore them. Or simply you can check them line to line, like this cpanel.shadi.com, so it's not present. And also you can how you can get the subdomains. Also you can use this called website called virus total. Okay, so on this virus total you can also find the subdomains related to a target. Let's say for the shadi.com. Now you can see we got the result which is zero detection. So where we can find our subdomain, it's under this relation tab. You can see we have got 9 subdomain. There is also a subdomain called ftp.shadi.com, and I guess this is all we got this subdomain in the subfinder blog. Yes, this is also present. This is, I guess, is the unique one, which is ftp.shadi.com. Let me check what we can find. Like I know, like they are running a FTP service. Okay, I know because I did a nmap scan for them. So I know like they are running the FTP service on their server. So, but we can check. And okay, so this website is not reachable. Okay, no issue. Let me check this go.subdomain. Yeah, it's also present here. So you can also use this website to find out the subdomains, or either you can change the target here, or you can go to this double shadi.com, which I have already told you. So we can also get the subdomains related to this shadi.com, and you can see we got 110 subdomains related to this target. Okay, so for this video our target is simple shadi.com. So we got I guess, yeah, we got 9 subdomains. Okay, let's check this nshadi.com subdomain for once. Like you can see I'm not using any kind of burp suite or Firefox right now, because I'm showing you a technique like where you can simply get the sensitive data with a simple dir search or any kind of sec list. You can use any kind of word list, for example sec list. You can use the sec list also if you want to discover the sensitive data related to a target. Okay, so okay, so it's not working. So let's go to this subdomain finder and we can see that here's our target. This website is also running, I know that. And this service.shadi.com, I guess, is also running. Okay, it's not running, so we need to neglect this one. Mail.shadi.com. So now you can see, let me close this virus website now. Okay, so this website is also running, mail.shadi.com, and it's okay. So they are running the same website on this mail.shadi.com, but without https. Okay, so it's simply running on the http, not on the https. So okay, so we can choose this target because it's not secure. Okay, okay, this is secured one, so we can neglect this one. We can do our bug hunting or our practice on this target, on this subdomain, which is mail.shadi.com. Okay, so now the first step what we can do, we can simply copy paste this URL and we go to our Kali machine. Okay, and on this machine, I guess it will take some time to load. Okay, now on this machine what you can do, you can run a scan, you can run a disk search. uh, okay, disk search, I'm sorry for this slow response, and you can hit enter and disk search will provide you the results related to your target. Okay, you can hit enter. I have already I'm already running a disk search on this target. Okay, and you can see on this target I have got my results. So it's showing 403 on .git. Let me tell you one thing. What you can do, you can learn about this attack called desync attack. Okay, in the desync attack, it is quite similar to the HTTP smuggling, or just change the method from get to post, post to trace, and this is also another way like you can bypass this 403 bypass. But you can learn about this desync attack. Okay, so now you can see in the first line itself I have got this 301 redirection to this. Okay, .js. So it's shadi.com.js. Okay, let's try this. Shadi.com slash js slash sorry slash. Okay, you can see I have got some files which are some. Okay, these files are JavaScript files, and what I can suggest, you can check those files. Okay, you can read the code, you can understand the code, and after, if you are able, if you know how to code, then you can maybe you can find something and you can develop your own approach according to that finding. Okay, or you can also check these files, like there is a possibility like you can find something anything like user ID, password, token, or anything. So you can also read this file. So okay, so I don't think so like I need to spend uh, my time on this. Like, okay, var module is mm-hmm, license. You can read these files if you want to. Okay, let me go to my Kali machine, and I have also found a .git ignore file. For those who don't know what is a git ignore file, like I can use this file to tell the git to ignore some modules. Okay, to ignore the modules or some files, like the files called environment files .env files, like which hold some kind of keys and stuff like that. So we create this file .git ignore to not mention some to not share or not mention or to not commit some important files to the GitHub. Okay, so we got this .git ignore, and the response is 200, and the size is also 13 byte or bit, I don't know now. So what I have to do, I have to just modify this here to .git, and let me see if I have access. Yes, I have access to this, and inside this git file they are specifically telling that please ignore the sendgrid.env file. So if this git file is present uh, in the root directory, then it means that this file is also present in the root directory. Okay, so I can try to access this file, and there is a possibility like I have a direct access to this file, to this env file, where maybe I can find any kind of sensitive data. So till now, what I did, uh, I just simply selected a target, which is this target. I did a I did a subdomain. I used this tool called subdomain finder to find out the subdomain, and then I have choose the subdomain, which is mail.shadi.com. Why? Because this subdomain is running on HTTP, not on the HTTPS. That's the only reason I have choose this subdomain. And maybe you can choose your target according to your preference. Okay, and then after that, what I did a simple dir search on this mail.shadi.com subdomain, and I have got this .git file. Okay, git file, and inside this git file I have found git ignore file. I have found another file, another file, which is sendgrid.env. Okay, so now what we can do, we can try to access this file sendgrid.env, and okay, now you can see I have found this API key for the SendGrid. Uh, SendGrid, I guess they are using this SendGrid as a third party, as external service. API key here. Now, let me tell you one thing. If you report this thing also, you will get the bounty and you will get the whole of the fame for sure. Okay, this is how you can get this sensitive data through this git ignore file. So that's all for this video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description for the further updates. See you soon. Take care. Bye.